Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, to one and all present here. I am Papa Selvi Nada from MPS Dharavi Kalakilla School, and I am privileged to take the online class on behalf of our administrative officer, Mrs. Dumre Madam, and the nodal officer, Sarat Kurade, nodal HM, Mary Pushpam Paul, and assistant HM, Manpreeti Madam, and our CNO, Mrs. Ratilal sir. Thanks to you for all giving me this opportunity.
Today's thought for the day is that for the day is all about mother. Do you like your mother?
Yes.
Yes, I hope everyone loves your mother. Yes, now why do you like your mother, children?
Mother is the true friend.
Yeah, good. Mother is our true friend. Then she take care of us.
Yes, she also takes care of our house.
Yeah, good. And
She
whatever.
was all the homework.
Yeah, she do all the homeworks. Then
She does all the house chores.
mm,
She
yeah,
is carrying me.
yeah, she is carrying you and your family. So mother is the true queen of every house. So mother is very important in every house now. Come.
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
So my thought for the day is mother is the true queen of every house. Now we will start with our lesson today. We are going to learn about the numbers. Children,
Okay.
tell me how many numbers are there?
9.
9 numbers. What are they? Just tell me what are they?
0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. I hope you all know the numbers. From these numbers
Yes.
only, we are getting the counting numbers. See the counting numbers 0, 1, 2,
0,
3,
3, 4,
6,
5,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. From these numbers only we are getting the counting numbers. Now we are going to learn about the even and odd numbers. What, which are the numbers you have seen in this slide?
24 and 68
Sorry,
and 0.
sorry, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Good. 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers.
Numbers.
Even numbers. Object even in number can be grouped into two. Object even in number can be grouped into two. What do you see from this picture, children?
These numbers, apple, meal, carrot.
Carrot. They all made a group or what? Or remaining alone?
They are made group.
Yes, from this picture they are made a group. Now we will see the definition of the even number. See, an even number is a number that can be divided by 2. For example, 12 can be divided by 2. So 12 is an even number. We saw in divisibility rules that a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Therefore, any numbers whose last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is an even number. If the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 are in the unit place are called even number. Now, can you all identify the even number from this chart, children?
Yes.
Yes. Now repeat with along with me.
12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 90. 4,
Okay. 92.
4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 20, 24, 26, 28,
30.
30, uh,
30.
32, 30, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52,
52, 54, 56,
54, 56,
60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70,
Hmm.
70,
Very good.
72,
Good children. Good.
74, 78, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88,
Very
90,
nice. Very
92,
nice.
94, 96,
94, 96,
98, 100.
Very good. These are which numbers?
Even.
Even number. I think so. I hope so. You all understood the even numbers.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's start with a small example. Circle the even number. In first question, 30675. Which one is an even number?
06.
0 and 6. Very good. In question number 2, 0, 10, 6, 9 and 8. Which one is an even number?
0, 10,
0, 8.
6.
Okay, very nice. Third question, 7, 5, 9, 10 and 1. Which one is an even number? 10. Okay, in question number 4, 6, 5, 8, 2, 9. Which one is an even number?
2.
6, 8, 2. Very good. Question number 5, 9, 6, 10, 1 and 5. Which one is an even number?
6
and 6. And 10.
Okay, 6 and 10. In question number 6, 5, 10, 8, 3 and 7. Which one is an even number?
And 10 or 8.
Very good. 10 and 8. I hope so you understood the even number. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Now we will go with the another slide. Which numbers are visible to you?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are which numbers? Is odd nu-
6,579.
No, no, no.
Odd numbers.
These are odd numbers.
9.
Very good. These are odd numbers. Odd numbers cannot be grouped in two. From these pictures are which pictures are visible to you? Fruit.
Strawberry and
Uh,
ball.
ball. See, these are grouped in two or what? These pictures are grouped?
No.
No, no. One is left. So, in this odd number, there cannot be form a group. Now we will go through the definition. Odd number. An odd number is a number that cannot be divided by 2. For example, 25 cannot be divided by 2. So, 25 is an odd number. We saw in divisibility rules that a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Therefore, any numbers whose last digit is not 0, 4, 6, 8 is an odd number. If the last digit of the number is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 or in the unit place are called odd numbers. Now, children, can you identify the odd numbers from this chart?
Yes.
3,
Ah,
3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 30, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, and 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 70, 75,
77, 90,
77, 79,
79,
81,
81,
83,
83,
85, 87,
87.
89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99.
Very good, very good. I hope you understood this. Now we will go through some small examples. Okay. You have to circle the odd number in each group. Question 1, 3, 0, 6, 7, 5. Which one is an odd number?
7, 5.
375.
3, 7, 5. Good. Question number 2, 0, 10, 6, 9, 8. Which one is an odd number?
9.
9.
Question number 3. Good. 7, 5, 9, 10, 1. Which one is an odd one?
7, 5,
1, 5, 7, 9.
Okay, very good. Question number 4. 6, 5, 8, 2, 9. Which one is an odd one? 5 and 9.
5.
Good, good. 5 and 9. From question number 5, 9, 6, 10, 1, 5. Which one is an odd one?
9.
9, 1, 5.
Very good. 9, 1 and 5. Question number 6, 5, 10, 8, 3, 7. Which one is an odd one?
5, 3, 7.
Very nice, very nice. So I hope you have understood the odd number also. Yes? Yes.
Yes.
Now we will go through with the prime and composite numbers. You have already seen the numbers first. From 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Like this. Come this. The natural numbers. These are the natural numbers. The set of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and go on are called natural numbers. The natural numbers are divided into two groups. One is prime number and other one is composite number. See, the natural numbers are divided into how many groups?
2 groups.
Two groups. And the one number is?
Prime
First,
number and
one
composite
is,
number.
yes, one is a prime number and other one is a composite number. Now we will see more about prime numbers. See, prime numbers, the numbers are natural numbers which is divisible by 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. For example, you see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the examples. The prime numbers are the natural number which is divisible by 1 and itself. The prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. See more examples. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. No others numbers can able to divide the 3 numbers. The factor of 11 are 1 and 3.
11.
The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. So, we will see more examples of the prime number. The number which is a whole number greater than 1 and can be divided evenly by 1 and itself. Examples are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So I hope we will go with more examples of the prime number. Children, are you visible to see the prime numbers?
Yes.
Now read. What are the prime numbers are there in this chart from 1 to 100?
2, 3,
2, 3, 5.
7,
Hmm.
11,
Hmm.
13, 17, 19,
Hmm.
31,
23.
23, 29,
Hmm.
31, 37,
Hmm.
41, 43, 47,
Good.
53, 59,
Okay.
61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97.
These numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. It cannot be able to divide by with any other numbers. I hope you understood. Now we will give some examples. Now circle the prime numbers. Children, which are the prime numbers in this group? Children, 3,
6, 10,
6,
2,
2. Sorry, no 2. 3.
prime number. I want a prime number. 3 is a prime number. We can visible with this chart. See 2, 3, again 3, 2, 11,
11,
23. These are the prime number. 3, 2,
2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
2, 3, 2, 3, 11, 23, 5. Yes, 5 also. Right? I think so you understood this. What are the prime numbers here? 3,
3, 11, 2,
2,
11,
5,
23,
and 5.
5.
Yes. Now we will go through the composite number. Composite numbers are natural number that have only one factors. Sorry. Composite numbers are natural number that have more than one factors. That are more than one factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15. These are the examples. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. The factors of 20s are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. These numbers 6, 14 and 20 are divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7 and 14. It can be divided more than one factors. Understood this?
Yes.
Now more examples of this. The composite number is a positive integer that have factors other than 1 and itself. For instance, 6 is a composite number because it is a positive. It has a factor other than 1 and itself. Both 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. A composite numbers has more than two factors. The composite number have more than two factors. The number 1 is neither a prime number or composite number. Number 1 is neither a prime number or a composite number. Now, let's do some small examples. Circle these children's 21, 41, 54 and 65. 62, 67, 13, 14, 79, 11 and 80. From this, which are the composite numbers? The number have more than one factor. The number can divisible by more than one factors.
21,
21, very good.
54,
Next, yes, 54.
65,
Yes, 65.
62,
Good, 62. Remaining twos are there.
14,
Yes, 14. Very nice.
80.
80. Good. I think so you understood this. Yes. Now we will go through with us some examples. Some scholarships examples. Now from this, which is the even and prime number, children? Option 1, option 2, 2, option 3, 3 and option 4, 6. Which one is an even number? Even and prime number? Which one is an even and prime number, children?
2,
Yes, 2. Very good. 2 is an even and prime number. Now, next question. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 50? How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 50?
15.
15 prime numbers are there. From this chart also we can see this prime number chart. See, prime number chart we have see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13,
17,
17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 till 50 we have to count it. From 1 to 50 how many prime numbers are there?
15.
15 prime number. So which answer is correct?
Option number 3.
Option number 3. Very good. Now question number 3. Which is an even number of the following? From 3,45,079, 38,429, 7,83,905, 2,35,892. Which is the even number of this following?
Option number
Fourth one.
4.
Very good. Option number 4. A number, very good children, very good children. A number which have the digit of 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place is an even number. So option is 4 is the correct answer. Now question number 4. How many two-digit prime numbers are there from 1 to 100?
There are 25.
There are 20. How many? 21. There are 21 two-digit prime number. See from this chart.
Option number 3 is the correct answer.
Yes. You have to see from this chart. The two-digit prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. You can count it also. From 11 we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the correct answer is, so the 21. So good. And the option number is 4. What is the difference between the greatest composite number and the smallest composite number between 1 to 100? What are the difference between the
96.
how it comes 96? Which one is the greatest composite number from 1 to 100?
100.
100. Very good. And which one is the smallest composite number?
4.
4. So the difference is 100 minus 4 is equal to 96. So the correct option is 96. Now we will go through the next question. What is the difference between the sum of the prime number and the composite number between 1 to 10? Option 1, 17, 2, 28, 3, 11 and 4, 45. How it comes 11, children?
Because 2, 3, 5, 7 composite number 4, 6, 8, 10. Sum of the prime numbers 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 17. Sum of the composite number is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 is equal to 28. Difference 28 minus 17 is equal to 11.
Very good. So we have to make the sum of these numbers, the prime number and composite number, we have to make the differentiate. Okay. I think so you understood it.
Yes.
Now question number 7. What is the difference between the greatest 3-digit odd number and the smallest 3-digit odd number?
898.
How it comes?
Greatest 3-digit odd number is 999. Smallest 3-digit odd number is 101. But
Yes.
999 minus 101 is equal to 898.
Very good. The greatest 3-digit odd number is 999 and the smallest 3-digit odd number is 101. But the difference is 999 minus 101 is equal to 898. So the option is 2 is the correct answer. Now question number 8. What is the difference between the greatest 2-digit prime number and the smallest 2-digit prime number? Now which from the option 1, 97 and option 2, 11 and option 3, 88 and option 4 is 100. Which is the
88.
option 3, 88. From this, which is the greatest 2-digit prime number?
97.
Yes, 2-digit prime number is 97. And which is the smallest 2-digit prime number?
11.
11. So the difference between 97 and 11 is equal to how much?
88.
88. Very good. So I think so you understand this examples.
Yes.
We have to go once again through this. Next, we will go with the evaluation part. Pick out the odd one out. Option 1, 6. Option 2, 10. And option 3, 5. And option 4, 12. Which one is the odd one?
5.
5.
5.
Very good. 5 is an odd one.
Question number 2. Which of the following is an odd number? Option 1, 7,36,882. Option 2, 6,63,820. Option 3, 8,47,826. Option 4, 2,38,401. Which
Fourth
one?
option.
Fourth option. How it comes the fourth option?
Because the ones place was odd number.
Because unit place one is there, one is the odd number.
Very good. In the unit place, 1 is there. So, 1 is an odd number. Very nice, children. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a prime number? Option 1, 13. Option 2, 97. Option 3, 61. And option 4, 27.
Option
Option 27.
27. How it comes, dear?
27 have only two factors.
27 have only two factors. The prime number have one and itself only. Which of the following is an odd composite number? Option 1, 71. Option 2, 55. And option 3, 83. And option 4 is 37. Which of the following is an odd composite number?
Option number 2.
55 is the right answer, but the 55 have more than one divisible.
Factors.
More than one divisible. Now, which group of the following contain the prime number? Option 1, 2, 4, 6. Option 2, 2, 3, 5. Option 3, 1, 3,
Option number
5.
2.
Option 4, 2, 3, 4. Which was the right answer?
Option number 2.
Option number 2. Very good. Option number 2 is the right answer. What is the difference between the greatest two-digit number and the smallest? The greatest two-digit number and the smallest two-digit odd number. You have which number is the greatest two-digit odd number, children?
11.
Greatest, not the smallest, I ask you.
97.
97. And which is the smallest two-digit number?
11.
Smallest and the how will get the answer? Greatest two-digit number is 97 and the smallest two-digit number is 11. The difference between the 97 and 11 is equal to how much?
88.
97 minus 11. How much it comes?
11. So 88.
So the answer is
88.
88. Very good. So once again we will go through this. You have to say the answers now. Which is the even and prime number, children, from this?
One and prime number is
Even and prime number is
2.
2. Yes. Even and the prime number is 2. Question. Now we will go to the second question. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 50?
there are 15 prime number between 1
There-
to 50.
There are 15 prime numbers between 1 to 50. 2, 3, 5,
5, 7,
7, 11, 13, 15, 70, 90, 23, 29,
31,
31, 41, 43,
47.
47. So the correct answer is
15.
Number
50. 3. Yes, very good. Once again, we will go through the third option. Which is the even number of the following? 3,45,079. Question option 2, 38,429. Option 3, 7,83,905. And option 4, 2,35,892.
Option number 4.
Option 4, the number which have any of the digit of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place is called even numbers. So option 4 is the right answer, correct answer. Next question. How many two-digit prime numbers are there from 1 to 100? Option 1, 20. Option 2, 22. Option 3, 25. And option 4, 21.
Option
So-
4, 21.
Option 4, 21. There are 21
Prime number.
two-digit prime numbers are there. There are 21 two-digit prime numbers are there. Next. Question number 5. What is the difference between greatest composite numbers and the smallest composite number between 1 to 100? Say the greatest composite number, which one? 100. 100, yeah. The
100.
greatest composite number is 100. And the smallest composite number is
4.
4. We have to minus. The answer is
96.
yes. So the correct
96.
option 96.
96.
Yes. Question number 6. What is the difference between the sum of the prime number and the composite number between 1 to 10? Option 1, 17. Option 2, 28. Option 3, 11. And option 4, 45.
Option 3.
11.
11.
11.
First, we have to add this, the prime numbers. 2, 4, 2, 3, 5 plus 7 is equal to 17. The
17.
sum of the composite number is 4, 6, 8 plus 10 is equal to 28. So the difference is 28 minus 17 is equal to 7.
11.
Yes.
11.
Okay. What is the difference between the greatest three-digit odd number and the smallest three-digit odd number? From this, which one is the greatest three-digit odd number?
999.
999. And the smallest?
Smallest
101.
101. What is the difference between it?
898.
898.
So 898 is the right answer. Then what is the difference between the greatest two-digit prime number and the smallest two-digit prime number? Give me option. Which one is the
97 minus by 11.
97 minus 11 is equal to
88.
88. So the 88 is the correct
Third
answer.
number.
Yes, third number. Then we will go this. Pick out the odd one out.
5.
5. 5. Fifth one. Option 3. Matlab 5 is an odd number. Right. Next. Which of the following is an odd number?
Option number 4.
Option 4. So option 4 is the right answer. Next one. Which of the following is a not a prime number? From this, which one is not a prime number?
Option number 4.
27 is not a
Prime
prime
number.
number. Then next question. Which of the following is an odd composite number? Is a which of 55?
55.
So
55 is an odd and composite number. Which group of the following contain prime number?
Option 2.
Option 2. Yes. What is the difference between the greatest two-digit number and the smallest two-digit odd number?
88.
So 88 is the right answer. Okay, so once again we will go through the first part. Now we will go through this chart. Odd numbers, even numbers. One by one, everyone should repeat again the even numbers.
2,
Say 2,
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32,
32, 30.
34, 36, 38, 40, 2, 44, 46, 48,
48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62,
62, 64, 66, 68,
70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88,
90, 92, 94, 96, 98, and 100. These are the even numbers. Now we will go to the chart of odd numbers. Once again, you repeat this, children. 1,
1,
3, 5, 7, 9.
7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27,
very good. 29,
31,
31,
33, 35, 37,
9,
50,
41,
41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51,
57, 59,
51, 57,
60,
61, 60,
7, 69,
71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81,
83,
85, 87, 89, 91, 93,
99.
97, 99.
very good. These are the odd numbers. I think so. You have understand the even numbers and odd numbers now.
Yes.
Yes. So we will go to the homework part. See, this is the homework part. You have to complete the following chart. One column is numbers, even numbers, odd number, prime number, and composite number. You have to write the even number from 1 to 10, odd numbers from 1 to 10, prime number from 1 to 10, and composite number. Again, 11 to 20, again 21 to 30. Like this, you have to complete till 1 to 100. Understood, children?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, teacher.